Hey y'all, so let's get right into it. I'm gonna start washing my fruits just like this. And I wash it with vinegar and water because you just never know these days. So then I'm gonna chop up my fruit. Pretty much you could chop it whatever shape you prefer, but this is the shape I wanted because I wanted texture in this salad, so I'm cutting it this way. So I'm chopping my tomatoes, my blueberries, and my strawberries. By the way, you guys, Kroger, if you live in Texas, have a cute little sale on the berries. They're super cheap. So I have spring mix, crispy jalapenos, and crispy onions. So that's the crispy part of the salad. That's why it's called crispy lentil salad, lentil berry salad. This is the lentil. I basically just follow the directions on the back of the package, and then I dried it on paper towels so it won't make the salad wet. So that's pretty much all I did. So then I'm going to add the lentils to my bowl with the tomatoes and the strawberries, the blueberries, and you can pretty much use whatever dressing you prefer, but I really liked this champagne dressing and it complemented it really well with the fruit especially. So then I'm going to add my spring mix. In my bag, you guys, I was out of focus for a few seconds and I didn't know. So, but you can still see what's going on. I added my crispy onions and my crispy jalapeno. Y'all, first of all, the star of this salad was the crispy jalapeno and the crispy onions. So then I decided to add some Parmesan cheese just for a little fluff. But you could leave it out. And this is what the salad looks like. Thank you guys so much for watching my easy, simple, crispy berry lentil salad recipe. And I'll catch you guys on my next video. Bye, you guys.